Here's a bitter truth most people can't handle. 99.5% of people are just sheep. Born, follow the rules, die broke. That's the average plan. Steve Jobs said it best. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. But most people waste their life trying to impress people who don't even care. If that offends you, good, you probably needed it. Your comfort zone is your coffin. Playing it safe keeps you average forever. Nothing is guaranteed. Your job, your fake friends, your security. The only thing you control is your mind. Elon Musk said, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. You might fail 10 times, so what? At least you won't die a coward. People will always talk. Broke minds love drama. Muhammad Ali said, I am the greatest. I said that even before I knew I was. They called him arrogant. He became a legend. If you fail, they laugh. If you win, they hate. So who cares? Your biggest superpower? Not giving a damn. Before you scroll away, just remember one thing. You can either live like 99.5% of people, follow the crowd, play it safe, stay average. Or you can risk, fail, get hated, and still become a legend. The choice is yours.